What is parallax banding? Well, I'm going to show you what it looks like with increasingly better parallax effects. I'm also going to mechanically explain how it works as well. Parallax banding looks like this. Can you see how some of those dark lines in the bands are kind of fading in and out? That's the parallax. Parallax banding gives the optical illusion that bands are moving or shifting. The parallax effect is also known as the Wagler effect and the shadow effect, which is my preferred name because it really illustrates what's going on here. You see, light comes down and hits these bands within the agate. Now you really need a mix of translucent and opaque banding for you to get the shadows. So a shadow is cast from the opaque bands and they fall on other opaque bands traveling through translucent bands. So depending on the angle of the light and where you're viewing it, that's where a shadow will be cast. And sometimes when a shadow hits other shadows, they want to blend and our eyes can't quite distinguish what's going on, and so it shifts it around and it looks a little blurry sometimes, and it just creates this really cool optical effect. Because of the rarity and uniqueness of this effect, rock lovers and collectors will value agates more if they have this parallax effect. And not every agate will have it. It may be 1 in 10, 1 in 20. There are certainly types of agate that have it more often, such as Agate Creek in Australia. Botswana agates can have really great parallax effects. And Laguna agates are frequently known to have this parallax effect. But you can find an agate out in the creek, and as long as there are some opaque bandings in it to cast those shadows, you can pick up your own little shadow effects. Alright, that's all I have on this optical effect. So enjoy the last few videos of these really great agates, and if you'd like to see me do another optical effect, just comment below, and if you'd subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I'd also like to thank my two friends Tom and Justin for letting me dig through their collection and recording all their precious stones. Alright, peace out everyone.